Hello viewers, this video explains filing of Form PMT09 on the GST portal. Form PMT09 is released on the GST portal on April 1st, 2020, where if the customer has made a wrong payment through a challan in the GST portal, he can shift that wrong payment from one head to another head. If the customer has wrongly paid under the head of interest instead of paying it under the late fees, he can shift the cash ledger balance from interest to the late fees. Simultaneously, we will be able to shift from one head to another head. So there are two main conditions before filing this form. First condition is we can shift the cash ledger balance only when it is unutilized. If you have utilized it for some other purpose, for late fee or for like payment of taxes, then we will not be able to move that move that balance from one head to another head. The second condition is GST form PMT09. That is PMT09 is just for the purpose of moving the balance from one head to another head, but it is not for the purpose of claiming the refund. If you have made a wrong payment and if you wish to claim refund, you have to go through a separate form, RFD01. So for filing this form, department has classified the different heads of payment into minor heads and major heads. These are the major heads in the challans: CGST, SGST, IGST, and UTGST. And under each major head, there are certain minor heads. For example, in CGST, if you consider, there are minor heads like tax, interest, penalty, late fees, etc. So now this PMT09 helps me to transfer the amount from one minor head to another minor head, or one major head to another major head, or one minor head to major head. Whatever is the permutation and combination, I'll be able to transfer it differently. So let us file one form PMT09 on the GST portal and understand it on a real-time basis. So to file it, first we need to go to the services, and under the ledgers, we have to choose the cash ledger. Once we click on the cash ledger, there is a specific form over here, file GST PMT09 for transfer of the amount. See, now if I see as of today, the cash ledger balance is 477 rupees. In fact, my customer has wrongly paid this payment under IGST. Now I wanted to shift it to CGST and SGST. If you open that PMT07 challan, you'll be able to see it here. Customer has made this 477 rupees payment under the IGST, but I wanted this amount to be moved into CGST and SGST. See, I can move it across. See, these are the main head items: IGST, CGST, SGST, UTGST, cess. These are all the major heads, and these are all the minor heads: tax, interest, fee, penalty, others. I can move this particular 477 into any of these columns. Either I can move it from the tax column to interest, fee, penalty, others here itself, or I can move this 477 into CGST, SGST into any of these columns. Let us see how to do that. Now, for me, it is very clear. For this cash ledger balance, I have to move IGST 477 rupees to CGST tax and SGST tax half. I wanted to move exactly half. So from IGST, transfer amount from IGST is the major head. Minor head is tax. From this amount, I wanted to move it to CGST tax, half of the amount. 477 half is 235 or 236 rupees. 477 divided by 2, it's 238 rupees. So I'm transferring 238 rupees here. So let me click on save. Are you sure that the amount indicated as above is intended to be transferred? Yes, I am intending to transfer. So one line item got added over here, processed records validated successfully. I can add one more thing. So since I shifted half, the other half I'm moving it now. IGST tax to SGST, the balance available amount is 239 rupees. So I can move this 239 completely. Click on save, click on yes. So if you see, these are the from IGST tax, we are moving it to CGST and SGST. Let me click on proceed to file. So it will ask me to select the DSC and I will be able to file this particular form. So this is the process in which we can file the form PMT09. Thank you.